Setting up project options. Project-specific settings are configured in the Project Options dialog. The project options include the error checking parameters, which in a connectivity matrix, class generation settings, the comparator setup, engineering change order generation, output paths, and connectivity options, multi-channel naming formats, and project level parameters. Project outputs such as assembly outputs, fabrication outputs, and reports can be set up from the file and report menus. These settings are also stored in the project file, so they are always available for this project. An alternate approach is to use an output job file to configure the outputs, with the advantage that an output job can be copied from one project to the next. Now see preparing your design for manufacture to learn more about configuring outputs.